Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the best Teepublic discount code in 2025, then this video is for you. So first you have to go to the couponfollow.com/site/teepublic.com, and or you can search for it here. Then from here you can find most updated coupon code here, or the promo code. So you can find the details, you can read all the details and terms and conditions and follow them, and simply click on show coupon codes, and you can find the code reveal here. Simply click on copy button to copy enter coupon code, and you can use it whenever you are going to try to purchase something from this website. So also the second one is the joinhoney.com/shop/teepublic, where you can also find some code here or the deals. So you have to do is simply click on get deal, and it will redirect you to the website, and it will also show you the code if there is any code needed, but right now there is no code needed. So you can find the affiliate link where you can find this starting at $16 here. So you can find the discount here, discount link here, so you can shop it now from here. Now the third one is teepublic.knozy.com/promo codes, where you can also find some codes and discount and deals, and you can find the details here, use times here. Now simply click on get this deal, and it will redirect you to the discount page, the same discount page of Teepublic here. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.